Okay, so my third technology is Scholastic News. This is something that I use in my classroom often as we do get weekly readers. We supplement weekly readers in during bell work time. I've used them with reading workshop to stress the importance of comprehension. We've used them with our opinion writing. Weekly readers offer a lot of good resources for students. The nice thing with weekly readers is my school gets the actual weekly reader delivered to us in the mail, and then from there we can actually go to the website and find the exact copy of the weekly reader that we have, and then we can follow along with it on the website. There's some interactive activities that we can go from there. I do have an account because we do get them for free. So it is free for everybody. You can do it on iPads or on the computer. My students have iPads and it works just fine with them. I know the students enjoy it because it takes their weekly reader that they're reading from their handout. It gives them digital features that they can go along with. There's some games that they can play to review the content. There's often videos that the students can watch that go along with the stories that they've been reading. I'll go ahead and log in and show you my features. I use Scholastic News often okay, I guess I need to wait until school starts again. I use these often with my second graders, and they manage the website just fine. They had no issues with it being difficult to maneuver. It's very user friendly, and they often would beg to be on Scholastic News when they were interacting with a weekly reader. So my intended audience for this would definitely be elementary students. I'm sure you could use it with your parents at home. I never collected grades off of it. It's strictly just an engagement factor. The goal would just be to supplement the instruction that's being given. Yeah, another nice feature is it's broken down by grades, so you can search for whatever was given to you in the mail, whatever weekly reader. It does have a collection of articles, so you can go back and look at previous ones if you don't keep all of the weekly readers. I liked this feature in second grade. When I taught second grade, I was at an elementary school that had a high percentage of ELL students. So when they would go to ELL or work with their ESL teacher, this was a nice feature because they could look at it both in English and the Spanish version. And that is Scholastic News.